Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. So, for today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see your old stories on Snapchat. Well, first up, let's go to the app right here and then click on the profile icon on the upper left corner of the screen. Go to your settings, scroll down to the very bottom of your settings. Once you reach the bottom, click on My Data. And then from here, make sure that Export Your Memories, Chat, Media, and Shared Stories are toggled on. And then click on Next. And then here, select the data or the range you want to export. And then from there, just click on Export right here. And then once you have clicked on Export automatically, you will get a notification from Snapchat that your data is on the way. And it usually will send you an email either within the day or in the following day. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.